I'm Paloma. Today I'm going to be making cotton candy with this maker set. Well, sometimes it doesn't come with some like sugar, so you're going to have to buy sugar and stuff like that. You could buy it anywhere or you could order it. The things you need is well, if you don't have like, if the set doesn't come with like some like sticks, then you can like make them out of paper and tape. So it's really easy to make it. All you need to make it is you just like roll it, and that's how you make it. Before you do all of this, you're supposed to plug it in right there, and then so that way it could be like ready already. The set comes with the glow-in-the-dark stick. I can show you how it works. It's just pretty simple. So the first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this big, like the white thing, the bottom part. We're gonna put it on top of this. I'm just gonna like turn it a little bit. Gonna roll it to see that when it combines. There, and now you're gonna put in the top piece. This time, now you're gonna like get the blue parts where like the bottom part, not this part, and you're gonna twist it this way. All right, very tightly you have to hold and you notice the lights are red, like you can see it, and you can see like airs around it. That's when you know, like when it's green, then it's ready. You're gonna need a spoon. For this, I'm gonna grab the spoon. And then, once you're done, you're gonna wait until it's green. And that's it. And then we'll show you the next step. Hey guys, it's already green. We already have our flavor here. So now we're gonna get sugar and maybe I'm just gonna put it in there. You have to be careful, make sure not to touch it, and then with the tip of it you're gonna spread it around like that. Now we're gonna start turning it that way. Carefully, I'm just gonna go around and get the cotton candy. Ooh. So I'm gonna let my brother taste this. How does it taste like? It tastes very good. So you can make more flavors you like. So okay, I'll see you. Bye. It tasted good. Bye. Subscribe for more channels. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.